A sparkling clean microwave is just one juicy lemon away. Will you believe it? Stick with us for a moment as we tell you the secret. Simply cut a lemon in half, place it in a bowl, and into your microwave. Run it for a few minutes and watch the magician do its trick. But wait, it's not magic. It's simply the intriguing science of the almighty citrus fruit, unraveling right inside your kitchen appliance. The steam from the heated lemon works to loosen all the dirt and grime, leaving your microwave smelling fresh. But the job is not done yet. After the nuking session, let it sit inside for a few minutes. Then, using a sponge, wipe off the walls, and voila! Your microwave is sparkling clean in less than 5 minutes. No harsh chemicals used. Now isn't that an easy natural cleaning hack you'll love? Clean microwave with lemon. It's truly your microwave's new best friend.